how to add Google shortcut on home screen. So basically, if you want to add a Google shortcut on home screen, it's very simple to do so, right? So let's say you want to add this type of shortcuts right here. What you have to do is you need to simply make sure you have the Google app installed, not Chrome, but the Google app, as well as also the Chrome app, by the way. So both of these two apps you want to make sure to have installed. Now you just have to long press on your empty space on home screen. Then we will simply go to this option that says widgets right here. Then once we go to the widgets option, here you can see a couple options. You can simply look for Chrome, or you can simply look for Google. So depending on which one you want, you can select that. And then you can go ahead and then basically you can see the Google search bar and other datas. I'll just select the search bar for now, and then I can just add that simply to my home screen. It's as simple as that. If you want, you can remove it as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.